What's new in the tech universe? Oracle drops Java 25 with a massive AI upgrade and LTS support. Then, Oracle stock is soaring on TikTok deal hopes while the S&P 500 dances around record highs. Plus, Cherokee Nation Businesses is revolutionizing HR with Oracle's AI, and Uranium.io just launched the world's first live pricing oracle, shaking up the commodity market. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Oracle Java 25, the AI-powered evolution is here. /n/n get ready, developers. Oracle has just unleashed Java 25, and it's not just another update. It's a long-term support release packed with 18 JDK enhancement proposals, aiming to supercharge AI capabilities and pave the way for post-quantum cryptography. This milestone release, coinciding with Java's 30th anniversary, proves the language is evolving faster than ever. /n/n Oracle is aggressively tackling user experience with features like JEP 512, compact source files, and instance main methods, making it easier than ever for newcomers to write their first programs. But the real showstopper is the AI integration. The Vector API, now in its 10th incubation, is a game-changer for AI inferencing, supported by JEP 507 for primitive types in patterns, instanceoff and switch, and JEP 511 for module import declarations, making code more uniform and libraries easier to reuse. NM performance isn't left behind either, with JEP 519 reducing memory footprints through compact object headers, and enhanced JDK flight recorder tools like JEP 509, JEP 518, and JEP 520 offering deeper insights into performance issues. Security also gets a quantum leap with preparations for post-quantum cryptography through JEP 470 and JEP 510. /n/n for businesses, the LTS status means 8 years of stability, a crucial factor given current licensing shifts. Donald Smith, VP of Product Management, has emphasized Oracle's commitment to future-proofing Java against quantum threats, mirroring past updates like TLS 1.3. /n/n, this release is already generating buzz, with developers praising the enhanced AI tools and businesses welcoming the long-term support. /n/n don't go anywhere, because Oracle's market moves are just as electrifying. Next up, we're diving into the S&P 500's wild ride and Oracle's surprising surge. Oracle rallies as S&P 500 navigates record highs. /n/n US equities kicked off the week with a bang, seeing the S&P 500 flirt with new record highs before a mid-morning dip. While the Dow Jones and Nasdaq also experienced slight declines, the market is holding its breath ahead of the Federal Reserve's crucial two-day policy meeting. And the S&P 500 briefly touched an all-time high, buoyed by strong gains in large-cap tech stocks and optimistic whispers about U.S.-China trade talks. However, profit-taking and pre-Fed jitters led to a pullback. Meanwhile, robust retail sales data for August, showing a 0.6% increase and outperforming expectations, signaled resilient consumer demand, easing worries about labor market softness impacting spending. /n/n the biggest mover in this environment? Oracle. The tech giant stock surged a remarkable 5% following reports that it's part of a consortium vying to keep TikTok's U.S. operations alive. Other notable movers included Chipotle, up 2% on an expanded buyback program, and Novo Nordisk, climbing 3% on promising weight loss drug trial data. On the flip side, Dave & Buster's plunged 16% after disappointing earnings, and Adtran saw a significant drop following a convertible notes offering. /n/n all eyes are now on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's upcoming press conference. While a quarter-point rate cut is largely expected, Powell's commentary on inflation risks and future easing will be the key determinant for whether the market can sustain its record-breaking momentum. /n/n from market fluctuations to groundbreaking HR solutions. Our next story reveals how Cherokee Nation Businesses is using AI to transform its workforce. Cherokee Nation Businesses revolutionizes recruiting with Oracle AI. /N Cherokee Nation Businesses, a massive enterprise with over 10,000 employees across diverse sectors like hospitality, health, and technology, has taken a giant leap forward in HR modernization. They've harnessed the power of AI within Oracle Fusion Cloud Human Capital Management, HCM, to dramatically improve talent acquisition and the overall candidate experience. /N by integrating Oracle Fusion Cloud Recruiting and Oracle Fusion Cloud Recruiting Booster, Cherokee Nation Businesses has streamlined its hiring processes, boosting efficiency and productivity. The AI-powered candidate messaging assistant is a standout feature, saving recruiters an impressive 30-45 minutes per day. That's nearly 4 hours a week. This allows them to focus more on strategic tasks and less on repetitive communication. /N furthermore, the AI-driven job fit feedback system has delivered nearly 200,000 personalized assessments, helping candidates find roles where they're most likely to succeed and enabling the business to fill critical positions faster. This intelligent approach leverages Oracle Cloud HCM's comprehensive capabilities, connecting all HR processes on a single platform with embedded AI that acts as a strategic advisor. /N this initiative is being hailed as a major win for both the efficiency of Cherokee Nation businesses and the economic well-being of the Cherokee Nation itself, showcasing the tangible benefits of AI in large-scale operations. /N speaking of groundbreaking innovations, our final story takes us to the world of commodities, where transparency is finally getting an upgrade. Uranium.io launches world's first live pricing oracle, igniting market transparency. NM prepare for a seismic shift in the uranium market. Uranium.io has officially unveiled what it claims is the world's first live uranium spot pricing oracle, aiming to shatter the decades-long opacity that has shrouded this critical commodity. /N operated via Price Uranium.io, this proprietary feed updates every 60 seconds, providing near real-time spot price estimates by crunching data from multiple market inputs through advanced algorithms. This is a radical departure from the traditional reliance on opaque over-the-counter trades and delayed reporting that has characterized uranium pricing for years. /N and Arthur Breitman, co-founder of Tezos, highlights the oracle's potential to initiate a virtuous circle by feeding vital information back into the uranium market, thereby enhancing liquidity and price discovery. The system intelligently factors in everything from spot feeds and uranium asset valuations to equities of uranium producers and specialized commodity funds. /N this launch couldn't come at a better time, as institutional interest in uranium is surging. A recent survey revealed that 97% of institutions would consider uranium exposure if access were simplified, though regulatory clarity remains a key concern for 78%. Uranium.io's Oracle directly addresses these barriers by offering reliable, accessible pricing data. N built on the same infrastructure as Uranium.io's XU308 tokenization platform, the Oracle also provides API access for seamless integration with financial systems and research tools. Industry insiders like Crispin Clark of Curzon Uranium are calling it a game changer, finally providing the real-time data they've desperately needed. /N backed by major players like Curzon Uranium and Archax, with storage support from Cameco, Uranium.io is building the essential infrastructure for a modern, digital uranium market, opening doors for wider investment. /N, and that's a wrap on today's tech and market deep dives. But before you go, let's quickly recap the biggest stories. And that's a wrap on today's tech and market deep dives. We saw Oracle revolutionize Java with AI and LTS, Oracle's stock surge on TikTok news amidst S&P 500 volatility, Cherokee Nation businesses transform HR with Oracle AI, and Uranium.io bring unprecedented transparency to the uranium market. Don't miss out on future updates. Smash that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere, turn on notifications by hitting the bell, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels.